Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix that need access to edit. For example, a shared file that you cannot edit or the view only. You need to request edit to access. So this one, for example, you can only view this document to make change. Ask the owner for edit this access. So here, for example, you can click three dots and then here you can make a copy. So here, click create a copy of this file. Then you can click recent, and this is the copy of this file. You can double click. Now you can edit this file. So for example, here you can add fonts or change the font, increase font size, insert image, insert column, rows, and so on. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.